little scientists, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. What I was thinking is, let's have a party together and let's eat tasty and yummy things. So let's say I bought a cupcake and you bought the second cupcake. Can you answer that how many cupcakes in total we have? When we bring two things together, we perform addition, and the sign used to perform it is the plus sign. So let's add one cupcake of mine and one cupcake of yours. It makes total 2 cupcakes. What if a monster eats one of it? Then how many are left? We will perform subtraction here with the sign of minus. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So let me tell you something interesting. Learning addition and subtraction can be fun using the games and the activities involved in IntelliSmart Box. So why to wait? From your IntelliSmart Box, take out numbers sticks, numbers tokens, numbers kit, addition base sheet and subtraction base sheet. For this activity, you will need numbers giant wheel, number board tag 1, marker pen, circular symbol holder, number sticks, symbols of plus and minus, addition base sheet and subtraction base sheet. Before starting the game, let's learn about the assembly to perform addition and subtraction. Take your number board and place the number board tag 1 in the slit provided at the top. Now, take the circular symbol holder and place it in such a manner that it fixes here. Perfect. Keep your signs of addition and subtraction ready along with the base sheets of addition and subtraction. Don't forget to keep your number sticks also ready to play the game. To start the game of addition, first place the symbol of plus on the circular symbol holder like this, and then place the addition base sheet under the number board 1 like this. Perfect. You already know what we always do to start the game? Absolutely correct. We spin the numbers giant wheel. So come on, spin the numbers giant wheel and observe the number where the rocket arrow points to. Whoa, see, the rocket arrow points to number 12. Now we are going to fix 12 number sticks on the number board. Come on, let's start the counting. 1, 2, 9, 10. We were placing the number sticks from left to right. After the 10th stick, we will place the 11th stick in the second row in the first slit. 11 and 12. Perfect. Since we placed the 12 number sticks on the number board 1, the first number that you got by spinning the numbers giant wheel is the addend 1. So, take your marker pen and write it in your addition base sheet in the addend 1 column. As you can see that there are 3 boxes that represents the ones, tens and hundreds place value of any number. So, in the number 12, 1 is at 10th position and 2 is at 1's position. So, let's write it. 1 and 2. To get the second number, that is addend 2, we need to spin the numbers giant wheel again. And observe the number where the rocket arrow points to. As you can see that the rocket arrow points to number 10. So, we are now going to place 10 number sticks one by one from the place after the 12 number sticks end. So, come on, let's start placing. After the 12th stick, we are placing the 10 number stick and start our counting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 stick in the third row, first slit, and 10. Wow, you were too good. Now write down the second number here as add in 2. What we are going to write? We are going to write number 10. Perfect. Now to calculate the sum of all the numbers that we have found out, we need to count the total number of sticks on the number board 1. So let's start the counting from here. 1, 2, 21 and 22. So there are 22 number sticks on the number board 1. And did you know that we just completed the addition of two numbers and the sum is 22. So write down the number 22 in the sum box on the addition base sheet. Wonderful. Since you have completed addition, subtraction is no more harder. On the completed assembly of the numbers board 1, place the subtraction symbol and place the base sheet of subtraction under it like this. Perfect. Now we are all ready to begin the gameplay of subtraction. And you know what we have to do. You have to spin the numbers giant wheel. But remember, this time spin it from the end where the side 51 to 100 faces you. Come on, let's start. Now observe the number where the rocket arrow points. Great, you got the number 60. So we will be fixing the 60 sticks. So now we will be counting the number sticks till they end to 60 and fixing it in the number board 1 slits one by one. Come on, starting from the first slit of the first row and moving from left to right. Start the counting. For placing the 11th stick, and here goes the last one, that is 60. Now since we have fixed 60 number sticks on the number board 1, it's time to write down the number 60 on the subtraction base sheet. As you can observe from the first box, it is written minuend and there are 3 boxes. Here the rightmost box represents place value of ones, tens and 100. The number you got is 60. Here the digit 6 is at tens place and 0 is at ones place. So let's write it down. We will write 6 at the tens place and 0 at the ones place. Perfect. Now to get the second number, you need to spin the numbers giant wheel again. But make sure that you are spinning from the other side in such a way that the side 1 to 50 faces you. Come on, let's spin and observe the number where the rocket arrow points to. Perfect. Here we get the number 30. Now comes the interesting part. Till now, you were just placing the sticks on the number board. It's time to take out the number sticks. So, we are going to take out 30 number sticks one by one starting from the last. Just enjoy and it will be fun. Come on, let's take out 30 number stick. 1, 2, 29 and 30. Perfect. Now you took out the 30 number sticks. It's time to write down in your subtraction base sheet. Where you are going to write down the number 30? Yes, in the subtrahend box. So come on, write down the number 30 and remember that 3 would be written at the place value of tens and 0 would be written at the place value of ones. Perfect. Now, can you observe that how many number sticks are left on the board? Okay, come on, let's start the counting. Starting from the first slit. 1, 29 and 30. Do you know what you have done now? Right now, you have found out the difference of two numbers, that is 60 minus 30, and we are left with the 30 number sticks on the number board 1. So, using your marker pen, write down the difference in the difference box in your subtraction base sheet. What we are going to write? We are going to write the number 30. Perfect. Remember, the game is not over yet. You need to practice how to find the sum of two numbers and how to find the difference of two numbers again and again. And the procedure is quite simple. Spin the numbers giant wheel, find the first number, place the number sticks, write in your base sheet, spin the number giant wheel again and find the second number. Place more sticks in case of addition and remove the sticks in case of subtraction, and note down the final sum or difference in your base sheets. After playing this wonderful game, you have now learned how to perform addition and the concept behind it. Also, you have learned how to perform subtraction and the concept behind it. Visualize maths with Alan IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.